The strawberry is sweet. Okay, it is not coming in that properly. The strawberry is sweet. Okay, who will tell me the answer of this? The strawberry is sweet. Who will tell me the answer of this? Raise your hand. We have to make it into plural. Okay. Two children are raising their hands. Okay. Nityang Bagel. Okay, Nityang. Unmute yourself.
मैम हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, you can find it out in portal. Okay, mute yourself. Pavni. Okay, Pavni, unmute yourself. Pavni.
The strawberries are sweet.
Very good. What will be the answer of this?
The strawberries are sweet.
The strawberries are sweet. Okay, I will write the answer. All of you write in your copy. Straw.
Ma'am, I done this exercise in the copy.
Not fair copy. At present, you do it in rough copy, and then I will tell you to write in your fair copy. The strawberries are sweet. Pavni, mute it yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Strawberries are sweet. Okay. So what we have done here, we have changed this Y to IES, and since we were talking one thing, so it was is, and we have talking about now many strawberries, so it will be R. Got it now? Now, second one. The leaf is turning yellow. The is turning yellow. Who will tell me the answer of this? Okay, raise your hands. Who will tell me the answer of this? Okay, Gopil, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Bolu.
The leaf is turning yellow. What will be the correct answer of this? Yes?
The leaves are turning yellow.
The leaf का क्या हो जाएगा? We will remove that Y and we will put VES. The leaves will become are turning
yellow.
Yes, very good. Mute yourself. Turning yellow. The leaves are turning yellow. Now mute yourself, beta. Gopil. Now third one. Baby, all of you write it down while I'm explaining. Baby is playing with the doll. Baby is playing with the doll. Now who will tell me the answer of this? Baby is playing with the doll. Okay, Maitri, unmute yourself. Yes, Maitri. Baby, what will be the answer for this? Baby. Beta, your voice is not coming clear. Again, Maitri, again.
With the doll.
Babies are playing with the yes, Maitri, what it will be? With the doll. Babies are playing with the doll. Okay, Maitri, have you understood what we have changed? We have changed Y to IES. So it will become baby. Okay. So babies are playing with the dolls. Okay. So what will be the answer in this? Babies are playing with the dolls. Got it, Maitri? Yes, next one. All of you write it. I will not show you again. Write the answers when I'm writing on the board. Fourth one. Boy is singing a song. Fourth one. Boy is singing. Boy is singing a song. Boy is singing a song. What will be the answer of this? Who will tell me the answer of this? Boy is singing a Abhinav. Abhinav.
मैम ये आप
Yes.
बुक में करवाने के कॉपी में.
Copy. I told you to open the copy at first only. As soon as the class started, I told you to write it in the copy. You can write it in rough copy. रफ कॉपी में लिख लो, उसके बाद आप उसको फेयर कर लेना.
मैम मैंने बुक सेट नहीं खरीदा अभी.
तो बेटा रफ कॉपी में लिख तो लो आंसर्स.
मैम मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा हूँ.
No need of doing that screenshot. Instead of that, you do it in your rough copy or purchase the books. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know the answer of this? Boy is singing a song. What will be the plural of this?
Boys are singing the song.
Boys are singing. Boys are singing a song. Got it, all of you? Okay, now mute yourself. Abhinav, mute yourself. Okay. All of you write it. I will not be showing you again. Next question. Fifth one. Mouse is running in the room. Mouse is running in the room. What will be the answer of this? What you have to change? You have to change mouse. Mouse is running in the room. Who will tell me the answer of this? Okay, who will tell me the answer of this? Okay, Aradhya Agarwal. Aradhya, unmute yourself.
Mouse are running in the room.
Mouse का क्या होगा बेटा? What will be the plural of mouse? No, not mouses. It will be mouse का plural क्या होता है? What is the plural of mouse? It is not mices. It is mice. What it is? Mice. Got it? Aradhya, have you got it? आराध्या ही तो है ना. आराध्या, are you listening me?
Mice.
Aradhya. Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mouse is running in the room. What will be the plural of this?
Mice is running.
No,
The room.
jab hum listen, when we are talking about many mouse, so it will be, is will become are. So mice are
Running in the room.
in the room. Mice.
मैम मुझे एक क्वेश्चन
Mice.
पूछना है.
Yes.
मैम पोर्टल पर मैम ये
Beta,
क्लासेस.
that listen. That I will answer after not in the class, between the class. I will ask you after before 10 minutes. Okay. At that time you can ask. Okay. Mute yourself now. Mice are running in the room. Got it, all of you? Now sixth one. Simran saw 8 pony. Simran saw 8 white pony. Simran saw 8 white pony. Who will tell me the answer of this? Simran saw 8 white pony. Okay. Who will tell me the answer of this? Ayan Agarwal.
मैम I am.
Yes.
Simran saw 8 white ponies.
Simran saw
8 white ponies.
Okay. Simran saw 8
White ponies.
white ponies. What is the spelling of ponies? Can you tell me the spelling of ponies?
Okay. PONIES.
Very good. Simran saw
you, ma'am.
8 white ponies. Okay, mute yourself. All of you gave a clapping
Ma'am.
for. Yes. Yes, all of you give the clapping. Anvi, all of you give the clapping for Anvi. She told me the very correct answer. Okay. Now all of you have understood about this. All 4, 5, and 6. All of you have done. Now let's go for the 7th one. Let's go for the 7th one. Okay. My mother has many hobbies. Seventh one. My mother has many hobby. Who will tell me the answer of this? Medhavi. Okay, Medhavi,
Yes,
unmute yourself. Tell me the correct answer of this. My mother has many hobbies. You have to make it in plural. My mother has many hobbies. Yes, Medhavi.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Why you don't know, Medhavi? Why? What is tough in this? What is not? What you are not understanding? My mother has many hobby. What will be the answer of this? Try.
Ma'am, because I have don't book.
So it is written on the board, na beta. It is written on the board. You can change the word. You have to change it.
Ma'am, my mother has many hobbies.
My mother has many.
Many hobbies.
Yes. What will be the spelling of hobbies? My mother has many hobbies. What is the spelling of hobbies?
Ma'am, HOBBIES.
Yes, very good. You have to try, beta. Don't say that, ma'am, I don't know this answer. I want that answer. You should know. Very easy. It was my mother has many. You have to change this underlined word to IES. Got it? Yes,
Yes,
Medhavi?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
mute
ma'am.
yourself. Mute yourself. Now, 8th one. My sister peeled 10 potatoes. Potato. My sister peeled. Siddhi, okay. Siddhi, unmute yourself. Yes, Siddhi.
My sister potatoes jam.
What is underlined? Potato is underlined. Okay. My sister. Yes, Siddhi, my sister. Siddhi, my sister.
My sister.
My sister peeled 10 potato. What will be the plural of this? What will, Siddhi, what will be the plural of potato?
Potato.
Beta, what is the plural of potato?
Potatoes.
Potatoes, na? So now make it the sentence. Frame the sentence. My sister peeled
Peeled 10 potatoes.
Bas, it's so easy. My sister peeled 10 potatoes. Got it, Siddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Siddhi, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood how we have changed from singular to plural? My sister
Yes,
peeled
ma'am.
10 potatoes. Got it, all of you? Okay, next. Mobile se better. Okay, 9th one. Okay, who will tell me next one? Siddhi, mute yourself. They bought 4 dress. Who will tell me the answer of this? Sharvi. Unmute yourself, Sharvi. Yes, Sharvi, unmute yourself.
Bought.
Yes, Sharvi, what will be the answer of this?
4 dresses.
Full sentence I want, Sharvi. Did I want full? They.
Dresses.
Nahi, they
Oh.
bought
4 dresses.
dresses. What will be the correct answer of this? They bought 4 dresses. Got it all? Yes, Sharvi? Sharvi, have you understood? Okay. So have you understood all this? Now the last one. That is 8th one. 10th one, 9th one we have done. Okay, so we have to change dress now. 10th one. In 10th, what is the sentence? 3 boys went to the zoo. 3 boy. We have to change? Boy went to the zoo. 3 boy went to the Anokhi. Anokhi, unmute yourself. Yes, Anokhi, unmute yourself. Anokhi, unmute yourself. Okay, let's go to some other. Kratika. Kratika Gupta, unmute yourself, Kratika Gupta. Yes, Kratika, what will be the answer of this? 3 boys went to the zoo. Yes, Kratika. 3 boys went to the zoo. Kratika, you know the
went to the school.
zoo, not school. We are talking about zoo. What we are talking about, Kratika? Zoo. So what will be 3 boys? Boys will become boys went to the zoo. Got it, Kratika? What we have changed? We have changed boys because one boy, for one boy we don't put S. So for many boys it will be S. So 3 boys went to the zoo. Have you written this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, mute yourself. Okay. So all of you have understood? If you are having any problem regarding this chapter, so we have completed this chapter, all of you. Just check it out. If you are having any problem regarding this chapter, you can just let me know. We have completed with this chapter. Yes, anyone is having problem regarding this chapter? You can raise your hand, otherwise don't raise. Yes, Medhavi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, Medhavi. Yes, Medhavi, speak.
मैम हमें
Yes.
हमें ये डाउट है कि मैम जब हम पोर्टल खोल रहे थे तब सारी चीजें तो आ रही थी, जैसे ही हम डाउनलोड करने गए तो असाइनमेंट 0 लिखा आ गया.
Again, फिर से बोलो. Tell me again.
ओके मैम.
मैम
हमने जब पोर्टल खोला था तब सारी चीजें थी, पर जब हमने डाउनलोड करने के लिए गए तो सारी चीजें गायब हो गई.
कोई बात नहीं, वो चला गया होगा बेटा. Because of network it must have gone. You go open it again, you will get it. Okay. Okay. Mute yourself. Okay, Maitri, unmute yourself. Maitri, you're having problem?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please see the sixth chapter.
Beta, I can't hear you. Your voice, Maitri, your voice is not clear. What are you saying, Maitri?
मैम प्लीज आप फिर से दिखा दीजिए ए वाला 10th वाला आंसर.
You have not noted down?
नो मैम.
Why? I told you to note it down, na? When I was telling you to... What were you doing? Huh? What were you doing, beta? Okay, Maitri, I'm showing you. Just see the answer. Take the screenshot of this. Maitri, take the screenshot of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Taken? Okay, other
Yes,
part
ma'am.
Okay, I'm showing you the other part. All of you, those who have not taken the screenshot, take it now.
Ma'am, I take
Yes.
the screenshot. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you. Okay. Mute yourself, Maitri. All of you have taken the
Okay, ma'am.
screenshot?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Okay. Okay. Now who is having problem? Okay. Abhinav Gupta. Yes, Abhinav Gupta.
मैम शुरू से जो हर सब्जेक्ट का काम करवाया गया है वो पोर्टल पर मिल जाएगा.
Yes, beta. Everything you will get it in portal.
मैम बुक और कॉपी का सारा.
Yes. Everything. Okay, Abhinav?
ओके मैम.
Okay. Next is Avni. Avni, unmute yourself. What is the problem with you?
मैम आपने जो फर्स्ट पार्ट की एक्सरसाइज का स्क्रीनशॉट दिया था तब हमारा नेट चला गया था इसलिए हम ले नहीं पाए.
Beta, now you have to take it from the portal.
Okay, ma'am.
Take it from portal.
Okay,
You will get everything in portal. Okay. Don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay. Anshika Agarwal. Anshika Agarwal. Anshika Agarwal. Okay. Ayan and Anvi.
मैम
Yes.
हमें क्वेरी थी.
Yes. Tell.
जो मैम आपने अभी लीफ का बताया था ना थोड़ी देर में सिंगुलर और प्लूरल में द लीफ इज टर्निंग येलो. तो मैम जो लीफ होती है एफ होता है उसको हटा दे तो एक वॉवल होता है ना तो फिर हम इसके एस क्यों नहीं लगाते हैं.
Beta, we were doing in Y. We were vowel वाला जो use कर रहे थे that was used in Y, not in F. Okay. हम F के साथ नहीं करते हैं. We use that one in Y. Y. Just see in page number 26.
Okay.
Some noun ending with in vowel plus Y. In that we put S, not in F or FE. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself. Okay. Nityank Baghel. Yes, Nityank, unmute yourself. Those who have asked the queries, raise your hands down. Those who's yes, Nityank.
मैम पोर्टल कैसे खोलेंगे?
बेटा in portal you must have got the link ना. आप क्लास जो ले रहे हो you are going through the link, isn't it? So you will go with that link only. You will put the phone number. You will जो आपका फोन रजिस्टर्ड है स्कूल में, दैट फोन नंबर यू विल पुट इन दैट पोर्टल, और उससे आपको मिलेगा एक OTP. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, you will get the OTP. That OTP you have to put that OTP. आपको वो OTP डाल लॉगिन करना है, आपका पोर्टल खुल जाएगा.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Let those who have asked put your hands down. Others, if you are having any problem, you can raise your hand. Anshika, you have not unmuted yourself, beta. You are having problem. Yes, Anshika. Yes.
मैम जो आपने अभी अभी कराया है वो हमें सब कुछ पोर्टल में मिल जाएगा ना?
Yes, yes, beta. Everything you will get it in portal.
वो मैम हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए थे इसलिए हमारा
No
सब
problem.
छूट गया था. हमको
No problem, बेटा. ये आपको हर चीज,
कारण.
बेटा, everything you will get it in portal. Okay.
ओके मैम. ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome, beta. Acha, listen now. One important notice. All of you just listen. In this, all of you have to enter with your name, surname, class, section also, and with your photograph. Got it, all of you? Your photograph should be there, your name should be there, your surname should be there, and your class and section should be there. Got it? All from next class, everyone will be entering the class with their name, surname, class, section, and with their photograph. Got it? Okay, Kratika, you are having any problem? Kratika, unmute yourself.
मैम एक और बता दीजिए.
Beta, from tomorrow, you have to enter with your name, surname, your class, your section, and your photograph. Got it?
ओके मैम.
कृतिका, आपको समझ में आ गया?
यस मैम.
हाँ, got it. Okay. Okay, class. Okay, listen, we have completed this chapter. Tomorrow, I will be taking revision test of this chapter. All of you have understood? Tomorrow, I will be taking revision test of this chapter, so be prepared. Yes, Pavni, unmute yourself. Pavni, unmute yourself. Yes, Pavni, is there any problem? Pavni, your voice is not coming. Okay, class. So we have completed this chapter, and tomorrow I will be taking revision test of this chapter. I will ask each and every student all the answers. Got it, all of you? So we will complete today. We will end this class, and tomorrow we will meet. Okay, bye everyone.